Hi, I'm Tori, and today I will show you how to add a project manually through Sage Construction Management. So, to start, there are a couple prereqs we got to get through. And first is to review the lead and project classifications in settings. To get to that, you're going to go to your little settings guy over there, click feature settings, scroll to lead/project, and here are the project classifications. Once you make sure that you have everything that you need there, we are going to return to home. Make sure to have your latest set of project drawings in PDF format, preferably. And same thing with the project specifications. If you are a new user, make sure to create an import spreadsheet that lists the cost codes and budgets for the project. So to start, we're going to go to projects, click this little action button here and add manually. You can add a new customer or an existing customer. For this example, I will be picking an existing customer. You can also add a contact and click next. Here you are going to type in your project number, title, and currency. Those are what is required. Then you're able to add your bid due date and time, sales contact, bid contact, project manager, start and finish date that's estimated. You can check here to specify contacts for a project. And down here, you can use the customer billing address, shipping address, or enter a new address manually. You're going to click Save and Next. Here are your classifications that you are able to choose from. The drop-down menu will appear here, or you can skip this or save and next. Here you are going to add your drawing files. You are going to click next. You can also skip this step if you need to. You're going to add the discipline to each file. Remember, this burst button is if you have a PDF that has all the drawings in it and you want them all separate. You can put them in as one and click burst, and this will burst it into separate documents or separate drawings as each of them. And then you can add the drawing number, title, and everything that is here. You can also change the drawing number and title here as well. Click Save and Next. You're going to do the same thing with dragging and dropping specifications. You can also skip this step. You're going to click Next. Here you can add the spec number, spec title, and click Save and Next. You can add photos or skip this. Step 9 is where it gets a little complicated. If you choose no to the prime contract, then you will be finished with setting up this project. You can choose use Microsoft Excel. You can create from Sage CM sample JCC templates, and the original budgets need to be entered manually. Same thing for the next one, which is the select cost codes for master list and settings. Original budgets will need to be entered manually. So once again, if you click no, you're going to be done at step 9. If you click use Microsoft Excel import file, you will end up at this. Step 10 is just where you're going to be entering these, and you will see step 10 very soon. But if you choose Microsoft Excel, you will need to add your Excel file here on step 11. And if you choose create from Sage CM sample JCC templates, you will end up here, which this will allow you to select a template. And then once you select a template, you'll be finished. Lastly, you can select cost codes from your master cost code list in settings, and that will allow you to enter the classification type, code level, and then all of them will be put here where you can add the budgets. You're also able to select which codes you want. You can choose all of them or select certain ones. And then you'll press finish. So we'll go through it to show you here. Here, the prime contract information will be put on for you with every single one of the 3 besides no. You will be taken to this step 10, and it will be put in for you. Just make sure that you enter the correct prime contract number. It's going to be in there for you. If you're creating the project, it's normally going to be 001 and status. Then you can click Save and Next, and it will lead you to one of these 3 options. I am going to put in my intact cost codes, division, and then add some certain ones that I want. Okay, and then once you've added all of the ones that you want to, you're going to select Finish, and it's going to tell you success. Same thing for here. Once you've selected this template, you're going to click Finish. So once you've completed that, you have created a project manually in Sage Construction Management.